Welcome to my fetching art channel. Drawing flowers is a popular subject in the world of art. Flowers are beautiful and intricate, making them an interesting and challenging subject to draw. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, drawing flowers can be a rewarding experience that allows you to express your creativity and hone your skills. There are many different techniques and styles for drawing flowers. Some artists prefer to draw from life, while others use photographs or other imaginations. Some artists focus on the overall shape and form of the flower. Some artists focus on the overall shape and form of the flower, while others pay close attention to the details of petals, leaves, and stem. Whether you approach drawing flowers requires patience, observations, and attention to detail. If you are interested in learning how to draw flowers, there are many resources available to help you get started. Online tutorials, instructional books, and classes at local art centers can all provide valuable guidance and inspiration. With practice and dedication, you can develop your skills and create beautiful flower drawings that capture the essence of these natural wonders. To draw a flower, it is essential to understand its anatomy. A flower consists of the petals, stems, and leaves. The petals are the most prominent part of the flower and come in different shapes and sizes. The stem supports the flower and is usually green in color. The leaves are attached to the stem and are responsible of producing food for the plant through photosynthesis.